Hi everyone, Matt Watson here from Carwow. So I've got a killer drag race for you today. One that I've been looking forward to doing for ages. So it's a Mercedes-AMG A45S versus a BMW M2 Competition versus an Audi RS3 versus a Volkswagen Golf R. They might be thinking, wait a minute, the Golf R is a little bit out of its depth here. And you're right, I've put it in this race because I want to show you what a hot hatch can do compared to these super hatches. Of course, the M2 is actually a coupe, but never mind that. Let's talk about the stats on these cars. So this one has a 2-litre turbocharged petrol engine with 421 horsepower. The most powerful 2-litre 4-cylinder engine on sale. It's also got 500 Newton meters of torque, a dual clutch 8-speed automatic gearbox with launch control. The Audi RS3 has a 2.5 litre 5-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine with 400 horsepower, 480 Newton meters of torque, a 7-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox with launch control. The Golf R has a 2-litre turbocharged petrol with 300 horsepower, 400 Newton meters, a 7-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox with launch control. And of course, all these cars have all-wheel drive. The BMW doesn't though, does it? We all know it's rear-wheel drive. But what about its stats? Well, I've got a guest driver actually to drive it. He actually bought me this t-shirt. Would you like one of these? Let me know in the comments below. Anyway, his name's Joe Achilles. Let's find out about that M2.
Hi Joe, how you doing?
Yeah, good mate, very good.
Looking forward to some big skids.
Well, you might be getting some big skids off the line because it's a little bit damp today, although thankfully not raining.
So tell me about the engine.
I've got a 3-litre twin turbo inline 6, 410 horsepower and 550 Newton meters of torque.
Your 3-litre 6-cylinder engine
has less horsepower than my 2-litre 4-cylinder.
Yeah, but it definitely sounds better.
That is pretty sweet actually. Let's have a listen to this one.
It's not bad, that thing does sound pretty good.
This is good, it like pops and bangs and stuff, but
That does sound better. Let's have a listen to the Audi because that 5-cylinder is sweet.
the Audi sounds nice, but it's got one of those soft limiters, hasn't it?
Yes, it does. This car isn't fitted with the sport exhaust, so it's a bit tame.
Now I know that Golf has got the Akrapovic upgrade on it, so that should sound pretty good. Let's have a listen. Sounds like that Golf's got a rev limiter on it as well.
Certainly does. Won't let you rev more than 4,000 at a standstill, which is a shame.
Why do they do that? It's so bloody annoying. You know, you pay this money for these performance cars, you want to be able to hear them, don't you? Talking about money, this is quite expensive, this car. It starts from £51,000 for this S version. The Audi, that starts at £46,000. The Golf is just £36,000. So we're going to be seeing if it's worth spending the extra money on these more powerful cars when it comes to real world performance. We'll find out in a moment.
Joe, the car you're driving actually has some upgrades. Tell me about those and how much do they add to the price?
Yeah, you're right, this one has got a carbon fibre bonnet, a carbon fibre boot, a carbon fibre spoiler, some lightweight wheels and a few other bits and bobs. I think the grand total of this car on the road is about £77,000.
It's a lot of money.
This one has some spec upgrades as well in the aero pack, hence the big wing, but it still only comes to £56,000. That BMW is super expensive. So Joe, one of the things I think you forgot to mention on your car is the fact that it comes with Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tyres, which are great when they're warm and not so much when they're cold. So
I think you might need 12 tyres to give yourself a chance. Yeah, absolutely, mate. I'm glad that you spotted them.
oh, look at that. Woohoo! Now, if you want to check out Joe's channel, it's Joe Achilles. He does loads of videos on BMWs. He's a bit of a BMW fanboy, to tell you the truth.
There you go, mate. That's why I love rear-wheel drive cars. You just can't do that in four-wheel drive cars. Well, you think so? This car actually has a drift mode. Just watch this.
You have the stability control off.
I'm watching.
Make sure you're in race mode.
Oh, let me guess, you're pressing a few buttons here, there and everywhere. You can't find the right setting.
And then pull up both paddles.
You just need the traction control off button in this one and you're sorted. Old school.
Drift mode, confirm, pedal up.
Talking of old school, this has actually got analog dials. They're LED backlit to make them look a bit modern, but they're traditional analog dials. I love analog dials. Here goes Mr. Matt Watson. What's he going to produce in that A45S?
Anything you can do, I can do better. I can do anything better than you.
Oh, it's going sideways.
All AMGs should be able to drift, and this one can too.
Well, that's impressive.
Let's see the other four-wheel drive cars do.
And warm up your tyres, Audi RS3. Let's make it fair. I'm expecting a lot of understeer. Oh, oh. Come on, you can't do that. Get out of there. You're just driving around in circles now. Let's see if the Golf R can do any better. Oh. That's better than the Audi. You got something happening. No, that's just understeer now. Stop. That's it. My mum can drift better than those guys can. Well, in those cars at least.
Throw the wheel. Hands a quarter to 3.
I think that's enough of that. It's time to get on with the race, but before we do, make sure you're subscribed to this channel. Hit that bell icon to turn your notifications on. And if you don't subscribe, I'm going to come around your house and steal all your food and eat it.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, the launch on this is brutal. The RS3 got off the line well as well. Drop the Golf and the BMW. And this is increasing its lead against that Audi.
Come on, you're going to beat the Golf. Woohoo, come on.
This thing is a winner. So then, what exactly happened? Well, the Mercedes A45S did the standing quarter mile in 12.1 seconds. The Audi RS3 Sportback took 12.4 seconds. The rear-wheel drive BMW M2 Competition struggled with traction slightly off the line and so took 12.9 seconds. While the 100 bhp less powerful VW Golf R completed the quarter mile in 13.1 seconds. Good old A45 and four-wheel drive. I'm not a Mercedes salesman, by the way. I'm just calling it as it is.
This is your show, mate, but
I think I should have a go in that car and you should have a go in this one, because
let's face it, you definitely get more practice at these drag races.
Normally I'd jump at a chance to drive an M2 Competition, especially one that looks as cool as that. But no, I'm not so sure now.
I think we need to crack on with the rolling race.
no, mate, no. When we stop, get out of that car and we're going to swap.
It's only fair, man. It's only fair.
All right, I'm going to do it. Let's see. Come on then. Have a go.
Over to you, mate.
Well,
Good luck. Good luck.
well, look at this. Life's a drag. Why do I get the drag queen?
Because you are the drag queen.
I hope I beat you now in this, because I'm going to take the piss out of you, something rotten.
You've got no chance, mate.
Cheeky.
No chance.
I didn't know there was another one that says life's a drag. He's not coming on again.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, come on. Oh, no, no. No, no. Whoa, whoa.
Wow, it's between me and the RS3. RS3 got a better start.
That was a right white knuckle ride.
Oh, this is going to be a photo finish.
think Joe did a better job than me on that. I don't even know what's going on.
Woo! That was close. Where was the BMW? Where was Matt Watson?
You did a better job than me at launching this thing.
I thought I was going to get spat off into the grass at one point.
Oh no, 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 no.
Oh, Matt, you were in that race. I didn't. Honestly, I didn't even know you were in it, mate. I didn't see you at all.
You just wait there. Everyone just stay there. I'm just going to do what the BMW is meant to do.
He's going to show off now. Oh. Oh, God. Oh, yes.
It's got a strong engine, so let's go do a rolling race. I'm going to stay in this. Is that all right?
No, mate. I think we've already proved that I'm better in that car, so
I think we should swap back again so that car's got a fighting chance at least in the rolling race. You're a double horse. Only if you had me with a t-shirt. You're now doing me on the cars.
do you on the what?
I think Google Translate might have had a problem with that. So just to be clear, everyone, doing you on the cars.
Still doesn't sound any better, mate, doing me on the cars.
Okay, so I've jumped back into the AMG, and I'll tell you what, it's nice to have some pedals that are in the right position. We're going to do a rolling race now. Everything's in comfort mode, all the cars, and in driving their automatic gearboxes. I'm going to call it in from 50 miles an hour. 3, 2, 1, go! Come on, kick down. Oh my God, that BMW kicked down so well. It's only the Audi.
Yes! Oh, destroyed them!
That BMW seems to just be increasing its lead.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
I want to get past that Audi. Come on, AMG! Come on!
Absolutely murdered them.
I think I'm reeling the BMW back in a bit now. Or am I? I don't know. Right, backing off, I'm backing off, I'm backing off.
This car, when you're in comfort mode,
It does that Mercedes comfort thing. It really was quite slow with its gearbox on kickdown. That Audi seemed to shoot off, but not like that BMW, Joe.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, the DCT box, the kickdown in it's really good, and I could see it reacted quicker than everyone else's. And then once this car got into its stride and it's up in its rev range, I had no traction issues and I was gone. What a car.
What happened to the Golf? Did the Golf kick down all right?
that was a bit slow, but I was level pegging with you for the first couple of seconds.
Now we're going to do the same thing again, but this time in sports mode, locked in third gear. I'm going to count it in. 3, 2, 1, go. This one is quick. Oh, I have to be quick on the blooming gear change.
Ooh.
Neck and neck with the BMW.
Oh, there's nothing between us. Come on, M2.
It's just easing ahead now. We're going to keep on racing, see what happens.
Yes.
Maybe his wing will provide a bit too much drag.
Just the car length almost.
Oh, there's nothing in it.
That's 140 miles an hour.
I think I'm pulling him back.
Oh, the A45's still there.
We're running out of runway.
That's 150. That wing's producing too much drag.
That's enough. That was so close.
So far then, we've had a win for the Mercedes in the drag race.
The BMW has won the rolling race section. Okay, final test, brake test, full emergency stop from 70 miles an hour when we hit the change of service at the line.
Come on, BM. Come on. You got this.
Here we go. Come on.
Come on, BM.
Come on, MG.
Come on. No. Oh.
I really don't know.
Oh, it's between me and the Merc. And, well, actually, no. The RS3 is in it.
That is so close between these three cars.
I just can't believe it. I couldn't call it from here.
I'm going to get out and check this.
I have a feeling I've beaten the Merc. I think it's between me and the RS3.
You know what it looks like to me?
I think this is a bit ahead of the Audi and the BMW. Between the Audi and the BMW, I don't know. But because I don't want the BMW to win,
I'm going to call that the Audi won the break.
one section each. And the Golf, you know,
It's 10 grand cheaper than the RS3.
and quite a bit cheaper than this car, and a lot cheaper than your souped-up M2. So it's actually done really well. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did filming it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, at Matt Watson Cars. Please go do that now. I'm trying to get to 200,000 followers. So lots of begging and groveling and come on, please, please follow me there. This is embarrassing now, isn't it? Anyway, thanks for watching.